Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How, when, what? If you're new to my channel, I make videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Without much ado, let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to review a product by Kiehl's, which is a clearly corrective dark spot solution. So this is what the bottle looks like. It comes in a glass bottle with a dropper in it. I have actually heard a real good reviews about this product, that it's quite helpful in reducing the acne scars and marks that we get, after maybe the pimple that leaves the scars behind or the marks behind. So here I am with my personal and very honest review about the product. I have almost used the product. It's very less amount that's left in the bottle now. I have been using this product for almost 2 to 3 months now, and this was some 30 ml, which actually worked for around 3 months for me. So about the product, it actually treats the acne scars. It helps in diminishing the brown marks that we actually get after the pimples. The clearly corrective dark spot solution, it's basically a serum, and the active ingredient is active C in it. So it's going to actually help us with the discoloration that we have from maybe pigmentation or with aging that we get. So basically, to use this product, you need to have a clear skin before you apply it. You can use it at night as well as in morning. So as I told you, it's a serum, so you have to use it before everything, which means you have to have a clear dry face, and then just take around 2 to 3 drops maximum of it and just tap it on your face, and then after you have applied the serum, maybe you can just if you have very dry skin, you can apply your moisturiser and followed by your sunscreen, and that's it, I think. In my personal opinion, I found it really worked for me, but it took some time, like almost a month, to see the difference. So the basic 3 main ingredients in this product is activated C, white bridge and peony. These 3 ingredients actually help with the discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and to reduce all of those. So coming to the price for this product, this is 30 ml of the product, and it costed me around 4,300. The product is little expensive, but it does solve the purpose. It will really help you in giving you the desired result that you are looking for, that is blemish free skin. So my tip for you, if you use this serum, would be just use a sunscreen after its application, especially when you are applying it in the daytime. So whole story short, the Kiehl's clearly corrective dark solution is really a great thing to add in your skincare routine, especially if you're looking to even out your skin tone. You will see result in few weeks, and it will give you a good result as far as the product is concerned, as it has really helped me. So it should even help you guys also. So give it a try and let me know. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.